start. We should start by making the dough. You will need 2 cups of wheat flour. After putting the 2 cups of wheat flour, you should put 1 cup of maida. Now to this you can add half teaspoon of salt. You can also add the salt as per your taste. Now mix it so that the salt and the flour is combined well. Now because you have to make the dough, you should keep on adding some water so that until it forms into the dough. It is better if you mix the dough with your hands. The dough should be like this. It should not be too soft or too hard. It should be medium. Now you should take some oil and spread it on the dough. Now you have to close it and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we have to do the filling. You can put around 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. To this you have to put crushed garlic and crushed ginger. Salt it well. Now you should add finely chopped onion and salt it well. After adding the onion, you should add finely chopped carrot and mix it well. To this you should add 2 cups of finely chopped cabbage. You can either chop it in the chopper or you can cut it. Now you should saute this well. You should not keep the vegetables raw. It should be medium cooked. Don't overcook it. So after doing this, you can add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. This much should be enough. Now the momos veg filling is done. You should add salt and pepper according to your taste to the filling. You should sprinkle some maida on the place where you are going to roll the dough. You should roll it in a circle, how I am doing. It should be thin. You have to make balls. Now you should put the filling inside the dough. Now you should shape it. You can shape it in any way. You can do it in any kind of shape. So you can do it in this shape. So similarly you should do the same thing for all the momos. You can make this shape also. The shape you can make according to your wish. Now you should take a cooker and put some water in the cooker. You should let it boil and you should keep this kind of stand. The water should start boiling, then you have to keep the momos and let them steam for 15 to 20 minutes. Now you can see that the water has started boiling. Now you should keep the momos inside the cooker. Now the momos are in the cooker. You should let them steam for 15 to 20 minutes. You should remove the whistle. I will show the momos after 15 minutes. You can see how nicely the momos have turned out. You can eat this with ketchup, mayonnaise or chili sauce. It will taste very good. This is the end of this recipe. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.